Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to upload a private YouTube video. The process is the same on every device. First, open a web browser and go to studio.youtube.com. Once you're on this page, look at the bottom left-hand corner and click on Settings. This will open up a new page where you need to click on Upload Defaults on the left side. Here, you'll find an option labeled Visibility. Click on Private and then save your settings. This will set your upload defaults so that any new videos you upload will automatically be private. Now, go ahead and upload your video. This process is the same across all devices. Then click on Create. Then upload a video. Once your video is uploaded, you can double-check the privacy setting by clicking on Visibility at the top. If it shows private, then your video is successfully set as private, and now you can upload the video. And that's how you upload a private YouTube video. If this tutorial helped you, consider leaving a like on the video and subscribing for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.